Hey, Rashawn here at Majestic Solutions. Today we're going to talk about our product of the week, Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Carpet Upholstery Cleaner is designed and recommended for deep stubborn stains and carpet and upholstery. Typically, ideal use for Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner will include an extraction device. Today I'm going to show you how to go about it without one. We need Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. We're going to use a power scrubber here. If you don't have one, you can use a standard carpet brush. We're going to have 2 terry towels, and of course, neutralize. We're going to have brown out here. Step 1 is to make sure that you've done your dry clean, when you've done a really good thorough vacuum. Then you're going to want to pre-treat with your Carpet Upholstery Cleaner. Try not to oversaturate. Remember, we're not going to be using an extraction machine in this process, so not to oversaturate the carpet is going to be very, very key. The next step is going to be agitation. I'm going to use our power scrubber to agitate thoroughly, and then I'm going to use my first terry towel to start pulling our dirt and soil out of the carpet. And then my last step is going to be with brownout. What brownout is going to do is going to help us neutralize the chemistry that's in Carpet Upholstery Cleaner and keep us from having any wicking issues. We want to make sure that the Carpet Upholstery Cleaner doesn't continue to react every time the product gets wet. Without an extraction device, there's still going to be remnants of this chemistry in the carpet. All right, so you have a couple of choices here where you're neutralizing. So you can actually go back to your brush and brush the brownout into the fibers to get a thorough coverage, or you can just go straight to a terry towel and go right to massaging it in that way. So we got some great results from our Carpet Upholstery Cleaner today. But as a final step, I like to recommend that you use an air mover. You want to get that air moving across the surface of the carpet to help dry it before you have any type of possible wicking.